Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today we're going to check out Sea Ray's 19 SPX outboard version. As you can see, this is the 150 Mercury 4-stroke outboard. On the swim platform, you see you have the stick-down sea deck. Nice 4-step ladder, help get you on and off from the sandbar, as well as a grab handle. A massive lounge out here. This is a good popular spot, especially when you're at the sandbar. Just get in the boat and relax. Massive storage, being the outboard version. Throw all your gear in here, don't have to worry about it. As you see, the sea deck continues down, and then in the cockpit you have the infinity flooring, which is snap-in, so it removes and you can clean it nicely. Integrated cooler. Storage here. Nice opposing seat here. You can take this out and put your feet down, or you can put it back in and lay out. Very comfortable helm seat with the flip-up bolster. Standard gauges on your dash. This is a Fusion stereo. More storage. And then lockable storage here. Up at the bow, nice seating, comfortable. You can lay out, put your feet out. Storage underneath each seat. This seat does remove, so you can jump on and off the sandbar and don't have to step on your vinyl. Dedicated anchor locker with the tie-off cleat. Perfect little boat, fun, easy to drive. This boat is available and ready for delivery. If you have any questions, give me